I'm going to share with you our family's favorite lemonade recipe. My name is Victoria, and this is Victoria's Cooking Channel. Let's get started. To make the simple syrup, in a small saucepan on medium heat, add 1 cup of water with 1 cup of sugar. Bring to a gentle boil. Stir so that the sugar is dissolved completely. Remove from heat and let cool. We're going to use a large glass pitcher. We'll add the zest of 1 lemon. We're going to add 1 cup of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Let's add our simple syrup. I'm using all of it. It comes to about 1.5 cups. This is a great time to add some fresh lemon slices. Let's add about 3 cups of ice. Then we're going to add 6 cups of cold water. Stir using the longest spoon you have. And then, of course, you gotta taste it. That's delicious. Now I'm going to show you my husband's favorite lemonade, and that's a frozen lemonade. So I made another pitcher of lemonade. We're going to pour 3 cups of ice into the blender. We're going to fill up the blender up to about the 8-cup mark with lemonade, and we're going to blend this bad boy up. We'll get a pool-safe glass to go outside. Garnish that real cute with lemons, and enjoy. Yay! I finally finished my first video for YouTube. I'm so excited to bring you our family's favorite recipes. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you again.